Have you been searching for the perfect city commuter with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2017 Honda Civic EX in lunar silver. With fully automatic headlamps, electronic stability control, 16-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 29,000 miles on the odometer, rear backup camera, SIRIUSXM satellite radio, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number MS1024.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.